finally made it to Independence in Lycat Valley, huh? You bet! I finally managed to prove myself as an adult mouse that can be on his own. And I couldn't help but notice you have a tiny little floating green cat with you too. What floating green cat? Duh! That green cat you made friends with? What's his name? Oh! It's a her, and her name is Camden Hopefloats. We're a match made in the Wonderland. You're telling me, bro, I've never seen a floating little cat in my life, let alone such a cute, tiny little kitty. I think it's very interesting that she can float like that. We can have more diversity here. Yeah, it's a talent of hers. And a very fine talent, that. You know, Camden would make a very good friend to poke a little fun at. She's the perfect fit for it. If floating is something she has the ability to do, then I have to give her credit. I mean, it's in her heart. She floats like a boat. Like a boat. I like that one. That's pretty clever of you. Oh, there she is right there. That kitty just happened to come in here as we speak. Well, hello there, kitty. My name is Donnie, and my tortoise friend beside me is Gerald.
Donnie, eh? Gerald, eh? What do you guys want?
We're fixated on your floating talent. Yeah, that's one talent for a cute little kitty.
Well, it's an authentic faculty worth taking seriously. Not that either of you ever seem to take anything seriously.
Well, let me tell you this seriously. And I promise what I'm about to say is 100% serious and to your ideal thought. You float like a boat.
Oh, yeah. That was the most serious statement I've ever heard someone say to me in the entirety of Lycat Valley.
Get the memo? You float like a boat!
Let me just say this to you. Being 100% serious into your ideal thought. I'm a prodigious luxury cruise ship with endless features and a lifelong durability that lasts a lifetime. And the both of you are inexpensive wooden canoes that sink in the water within minutes. Now back off from my case!
Gee, not only is she a cute kitty, but holy smokes is she feisty.
Feisty is as feisty does.
Man, she's crazy.